Hey everyone, I just wanted to let you know that I just picked up the DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. Not specifically looking for any kind of adventure recording, but the only reason I picked this up was if I can record some good POV shots. So here I am with my first video. We are on STRR. On Dodbalapur bypass, just merging with STRR actually, and we'll just take a small spin on this road just to get an idea about how the camera quality is, if the mounting is alright, because I have a problem with my height. I'm 6'3" and currently I'm using the head strap mount, and I realized that because of my seating position and my height, the camera may end up capturing more of the roof than the road ahead. Right, so that's the reason why I wanted to try this and experiment in terms of the best accessory to use, whether to use the head strap mount or if I have to use the chest mount. And also I purchased along with the camera the suction mount, which I intend to experiment by fixing it up on the sunroof inside the car, of course, and try to take a shot while the camera is mounted in the center. The only apprehension I have with that is it might cause hindrance to the visibility, especially through the IRVM, which is the inside rear view mirror. So I'm going to do that later today, but let's try to drive on this road for a while and understand how the camera is actually functioning and the field of view, etc. So this is set in 4K, and the width that I've set is standard. It's not beyond that. So let's figure out how the quality of this camera is. So traffic is fairly decent on this road today. Not much considering you have a holiday in some offices on today and tomorrow. But since we've passed the peak morning hours where people tend to leave for their holiday destinations, this road looks pretty okay to drive on, and this is one of the closest roads from the area that I stay. I stay in Yalanka, and we often take this road to go for a joyride or do some kind of testing. So yeah. Stop recording. Stop recording.